Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Tillo and today is the week 4 day 20 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. First, I'm doing 20 minute circuit training as a warm up to activate my entire body. In this, I'm going to do battle rope, alternate toe touching and slams. As you guys know, this is my straight set without rest week and my today's workout is shoulder. So I want to pump before starting my workout to avoid injury. In this, I'm going to do arm rotation, dumbbell upright external rotation, shoulder rolls backward and forward, lateral raises, overhead press, bent over dumbbell lateral raises, dumbbell upright and shrug. I just completed my warm up, so let's start 8 straight set without rest shoulder workout. My first straight set without rest is barbell overhead press. I'm going to do 40 reps with 20 kg weight. In this inhale, brace tuck the chin, then lower the bar to the top of your chest. Exhale and press the bar to lock out. If you are new to the overhead press, you should start with the seated dumbbell shoulder press by using an upright bench, which will provide stability during the movement. Don't grip the bar widely as you won't be able to lift the adequate weight. It also strengthens the other areas in your body like triceps, trap and upper body. Also, it improves strength in the bone, ligaments and tendons. After 40 reps, taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. And the next straight set without rest is machine overhead press. I'm going to do 30 reps with 30 kg. In this exercise, always warm up first to lower your risk of shoulder injury. It is the great exercise for beginners. There is no risk of injury. The most obvious benefit of overhead press exercise is improve the strength, improves bone density, decreasing your risk of osteoarthritis. After 30 reps, take 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. Moving on to the next straight set without rest is neck press. I'm going to do 40 reps with 30 kg weight. The The behind the neck press can be done in a seated or standing position. If you are new to the exercise, start with the seated version on a weight bench. During the upward phase, avoid moving your head or back forward. The downward phase should be slow and controlled pulling movement. Avoid letting the bar fall back into starting position. After 40 reps, take 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. The fourth straight set without rest is single arm cable lateral raises. I am going to do 30 reps with each arm and with 15 kg weight. Always do this exercise slowly. It is an isolation exercise, and choose a manageable weight and avoid bouncing up and down. Cable lateral raises focus on the side deltoid muscle while working the anterior deltoid as well as the middle and lower traps. To maintain good posture, push your chest forward and point your shoulder back while slightly bending both knees. You can also place your free hand on the machine for support. It is a great exercise to give balanced shape to your shoulder and make them look broader. After 60 reps, take 1 minute break and sipping up my drink. And the next straight set without rest is front raises. I am going to do 30 reps with 10 kg. Don't load the shoulder joint excessively as it can stress the joint and lead to injury. Keep the back straight and brace the abdominal rather than performing with a rounded back or slack abs. After 30 reps, taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink. Moving on to the next straight set without rest is bent over dumbbell raises. I'm going to do 30 reps with 10 lbs. The bent over dumbbell raises target the posterior part of the shoulder and also upper back muscles. This is a great exercise to add an upper body strengthening routine when your goal is to tone your shoulder, arm and back. Remember to keep your knees and elbow joints loose and slightly bent and keep your head in line with your back. After 30 reps, taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink. And the second last straight set without rest is dumbbell shrugs. I'm going to do 20 reps with 40 kg weight. Choosing the proper form is an essential to make sure you are getting the most out of the exercise. Move only at the shoulder when raising the weights. You will see people holding the weights in front of them when they shrug. Don't do this, keep your arms at your sides and palm in neutral position. After 20 reps, take 1 minute break. And the last state set without rest is barbell shrug. I'm going to do 20 reps with 30 kg weight. Throughout the exercise, make sure you keep your shoulder back and your spine and elbow straight. Looking slightly up while shrugging may enhance the contraction as traps help to control movement of the skull. This motion should be smooth and controlled, as a ballistic movement could result in neck injury. After 20 reps, take 1 minute break and sipping up my drink. Moving on to the abs, that is leg raises and half crunches with chest barbell press. I am going to do 40 reps with leg raises and 20 reps with half crunches. After workout, don't forget to stretch in the end to avoid soreness and improve flexibility. If this information was helpful, give me thumbs up. That's all for the day. See you all tomorrow. It's Filmy Fitness by Aman Dillon, powered by Purely Picture. Stay tuned, stay safe and stay fit.